All right, I got a 2010 Ford Econoline E150, 4.6 liter, and I'm gonna change this mass airflow sensor. This is the part here, Hitachi. It's the number. It's about $40 on Amazon. So what I'm gonna do first, I gotta take off the air filter housing. The sensor is right behind this. So what you want to do is you want to take this off first. Here's the air filter. It's pretty clean. You can see the sensor right there. Now you got to disconnect the housing. 2 bolts here, 2 bolts here. There it is right there. All right, to unplug it, you pull down on this tab. While you're pulling down on that tab, you pull this back. It comes off. All right, so you're gonna pull this rubber gasket back. When you pull that back, there's a red tab in there. Lift it up with the screwdriver and this plug will come out. That's how it looks. All right, so now you want to take this cover off. I'm pretty sure this arrow is supposed to line up with this notch, so don't forget about that. You got these tabs here. You pull this back, comes undone. There's the sensor right there. All right, you got 2 torque screws you need to take out here. It looks like it's T15. This is the old sensor I just took out. I don't know if you could see that, but the filaments in there look pretty dirty, pretty corroded. I tried cleaning it, but it didn't make a difference. So, all right, when you install this, you want to make sure the filament is on the right side. This filament is facing the right side. You got to put it in the same exact way, just like that. All right, now you just put it back together, just how you took it off.